Welcome to Suite 10543. Let's go take a look inside. So if you notice, as soon as you come in, you have a big living room space. But before we get to anything else, let's look and see where your muster station is. So the muster station will always be highlighted. It is right here, A3, and it shows you exactly where to go, how to put your life vest on, so forth and so on. Then over here, makeup room, do not disturb. You push one. Once you push it down, it lets them know on the outside to make your room up, or do not disturb. Up here you have a thermostat, cold and hot. And here you have to keep a car, any kind of car. It don't have to be a stateroom car. It can be any kind of car to keep the lights on in the room. Moving over here are closets. A lot of storage area. Over here, same thing, storage. And they also give you an umbrella. This here room is counted as a living room and a bedroom, which can sleep 2 people. Over here, your coffee station, which is an espresso. Excuse me, they do refill these every day. If you ask, they will refill it. This is decaf, and the one in black is regular coffee. You have other ports here if you want to charge your phone. This is a regular port. This is a European port. Telephone, excuse us, because we've already been in this room, so we've had drinks and coffee. Right here, this lets out into a bed. In the daytime, it could be a couch, whatever you prefer. You have a lounge area. We've already started drinking. TV down here, you have more storage because, of course, this can be a bedroom as well. Also has a laundry bag, the laundry list, and breakfast service. Service is, at this time, a $4.95 service fee. This suite is a 3-bedroom suite. Like I said, it holds 6 people. Let's go to this room right here. You will see things in here because, like I said, we've already moved in. Have a bed as well, lighting station, and on the side is a USB port as well, and a reading light. Over here is a vanity set. You can store all your personals, and down here also have USB ports, a regular charging port, and a European port. TV. More storage. We still have things in our dresser drawer, so I'm not going to pull it out and show you our personals. Here's a lounge area as well, and more storage. Of course, my daughter has her things in here, but you get the gist of it. It's more storage. And voila, a bathroom. Vanity, sink, and shower. Let's bring this back out. Let's go to the next room. The next room is, say hey to the camera.
Hey.
The window in back here impersonates a balcony. So it's like you have a balcony, but you don't have a balcony. And right now it's dark because it's night outside and you can't see anything. But in the daytime, it shows you exactly what's on the outside as if you did have a balcony. So let's go into the master bedroom. Here is the master bedroom. First, when you come in, you have a long mirror. I know the ladies will definitely love that. Here's your vanity section. Of course, again, you have European and a regular charging port, charging station. Like I said, vanity. Over here, you have another one. USB, nightlight for reading, or it can be a nightlight. This is the bed. It is a king size bed. The TV is over here. Also have more storage. This is the safe, but the safe also have shelves as well for storage. We have our personals in here still, so this is more closet space, more storage. It's really big. It comes with hangers, and it's the same for the other side. And if you're all sleeping on this side as well, it is USB. As you can see, I have mine plugged in right here, and there's also another reading light. And this is basically the room, the cabin. It is pretty big, pretty roomy, and we loved everything about it. Oh, wait a minute. How can I forget the restroom? Double sinks, his and hers, or whatever you prefer. The vanity where you can store all your personals. You have name brand liquid soap. What is this? Body lotion, as well as the same in the shower. Shower gel, shampoo, and conditioner. And they smell delightful. Also, the shower also converts into a bathtub as well. So if you didn't want to take a shower, you can go ahead, sit down and relax and have your bath. That concludes the end of Suite 10543. Thank you for watching. And if you have any more questions about this suite, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll do my best to answer all your questions. Don't forget, live, love, and travel.